Hi friends again at home. So I told you I'd come back so I can show you how to write your letter X and your letter Y since they're new this week. So the letter X, the lowercase x, is a small letter. So remember, a small letter is going to start at our plain line and it's only going to go to our grass line. So it's only going to be a small lowercase letter. X really isn't too tricky because if you notice, it has two straight lines. There's no curves, which is helpful. And they're just going to go not straight up and down, but at a diagonal. Okay, so when we do our letter X, I'm going to start at the plain line. I'm going to write upside down. Let's see how I do. I'm going to start at our plain line, and I'm going to go diagonal all the way down to the grass line. I'm going to pick up my marker. You'll pick up your pencil. And now I'm going to go a little bit further down the line because I want to crisscross over it. So let's come over here to the plain line, and all I'm going to do is crisscross down to the grass line. Boy, that doesn't look too bad. I did it all upside down. Let me try another one a little bit faster this time. All right, so I'm going to go from plain to grass, pick up my marker, going to move a little bit further down the line and crisscross right over it. What do you think? Not too bad? I bet you can do it too. So when I'm done in just a minute, you can give it a try at home. Or if you want, you can pause your screen right now and give it a try. But I'm going to show you letter Y while I have you here. All right, let me give it a good erase. Actually, and before I switch to Y, let's do a quick little review. When I see my X card, X is a goofy sound. We say X, fox, X is the sound. X. Are you doing okay with that sound? It's a weird one. Yeah, I think it's one of our strangest ones we have. Q, when we learn Q, will be a little goofy too. All right, so there's our X. Here's our Y. So let's make sure we know our sound first. So we have Y, yellow, yeah. Good job. Okay, good news. Y actually starts just like X, and it has a diagonal line. The only different part is, if you look at our Y here, there's going to be my diagonal straight line, but then look at this one. Do you notice how it's longer than this line? Y is not a small letter. Y is actually a worm line letter. So that second line is going to go all the way down to the worm line. We can do it though. All right, so it's going to start off similar to the X I told you. We're going to start at the plain line, and all I'm going to do, pretty much like the X starts, is give it a diagonal line down to the grass line, and then watch this. I'm going to come back over here. Actually, you know what? This is going to be like the letter V that we learned last week. So if you think of it like that, I'll go down and make what looks like a V, but I'm not going to stop. Whoa, my marker slipped. I'm going to go all the way down to the worm line. So let's think of it like that. It's similar to a V, and then it goes all the way down to the worm line. All right, let me try again a little bit faster. Let me scooch this over here. Okay, so I'm going to make a diagonal line from plain to grass. Pick up my pencil for just a minute, or my marker, I should say. Come back over here, and then I'm going to go straight down to worm. That one went a little bit faster. What do you think? Not too bad? I think you can handle that one. All right, so at home, go ahead and practice these, see what you can do. I think I gave you a couple activities on Seesaw too that you can practice doing some sorts with the X and the Y and just kind of get familiar with them, just like we're going to be doing in school. All right, have a good one. Good luck practicing, guys.